What does PS stand for?
Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's episode, we're going to unravel a common yet intriguing acronym we encounter often in written communication: phosphorus monosulfide. But do we know what it actually stands for? Let's dive in.
The origin of PS.
PS stands for postscript, a term originating from Latin. In Latin, it stands for postscriptum, which literally translates to written after. This term is used when there is an addition or afterthought following the main body of the text.
How to use PS.
You may have seen PS used at the end of a letter, email, or other forms of written communication. Typically, it's used to add a final thought or additional information that didn't make it into the main body of the text. It might contain an afterthought, a reminder, or even a piece of entertaining information. This addition is usually related to the main content of the letter or email, but wasn't included within the main message. For example, "Dear John, we hope to see you at the company picnic this weekend. Best, Jane PS, don't forget to bring your famous apple pie." In the example above, the PS is used to add a fun and informal afterthought after the main message has been completed.
The evolution of PS.
While traditionally PS was used in handwritten or typed letters, it has evolved with the digital age. Now, we also use PS in emails, instant messaging, and even in social media posts or comments. Though the mode of communication has changed over time, the purpose remains the same: to add a final thought or piece of information after the main message has been completed. That brings us to the end of our discussion about PS or postscript. This humble yet powerful tool can bring a sense of completeness to our communication, emphasizing an important point or just bringing in a casual, human touch to an otherwise formal message. We hope this has been helpful, and remember, next time you want to add an afterthought to your message, don't hesitate to use a PS. Happy writing!